Welcome to the bikes world. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting superbikes of the year, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4. With cutting-edge technology, aggressive styling, and a refined V4 engine, this machine is built for those who crave pure performance. Let's explore what makes the new RSV4 a true masterpiece. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 RSV4 remains its legendary 1099cc V4 engine, but Aprilia has fine-tuned it for even better power delivery. Pushing out an impressive 217 horsepower, this superbike delivers blistering acceleration and a spine-tingling exhaust note. Advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, cornering abs, and traction control, ensure that all this power is manageable, whether you're on the track or carving up mountain roads. Aerodynamics and design. The 2025 RSV4 features a revised aerodynamic package inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP expertise. The updated winglets integrated into the fairing provide enhanced stability at high speeds, reducing front-end lift and improving downforce. A redesigned tail section and sleeker bodywork contribute to both aesthetics and function, making the RSV4 one of the most aggressive-looking bikes on the market. Chassis and suspension. Aprilia has always been known for its precise handling, and the RSV4's aluminum twin-spar frame is a key part of that magic. The bike is equipped with fully adjustable Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, allowing riders to customize damping settings for optimal comfort and control. Whether you're leaning hard into a corner or pushing the limits on a straightaway, the RSV4 responds with razor-sharp precision. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia's Aprilia Performance Ride Control system returns with even more refinements. Riders can fine-tune traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking through an intuitive TFT display. The RSV4 also comes with a 6-axis EMU, ensuring real-time adjustments for maximum safety and performance. Connectivity features like Bluetooth and smartphone integration allow riders to access telemetry data, navigation, and call notifications with ease. Braking and tires. Stopping power is just as crucial as acceleration, and the RSV4 doesn't disappoint. The Brembo Stylema brakes provide exceptional bite and fade resistance, ensuring maximum control under heavy braking. Paired with Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa tires, this superbike grips the road like a true race machine, offering confidence-inspiring stability in every ride. Pricing and availability. With its premium features and race-derived technology, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 comes at a price reflective of its pedigree. While exact pricing may vary by region, expect it to be competitive with other leader-class superbikes. Aprilia also offers an RSV4 factory variant with additional carbon fiber components and performance upgrades for those seeking the ultimate track weapon. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 continues to push the boundaries of performance and innovation. Whether you're an experienced racer or an enthusiast looking for the ultimate thrill, this superbike delivers in every aspect. Stay tuned to the bikes world for more reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe and enjoy the road.